Over 2,000 still without power due to Friday's heavy rain, windstorms. Thousands of people across Miami Valley remained without power due to Friday's heavy rain and windstorms. Major power outages surged throughout Miami Valley, starting at around 1:10 p.m. as the rain and, more impactfully, the wind intensified. The first major outage left just over 3,000 people without electricity, which then grew to about 6,500. The outages topped off at over 10,000 people, with 10,768 customers reporting they were without power. Utility companies throughout Miami Valley worked with first responders to return power back to their customers. Crews worked from Friday to Saturday morning, fixing mechanical issues through the night. As of 5:50 a.m., over 1,500 AES Ohio and 500 Duke Energy customers were without power, according to their respective outage maps. Ohio Edison reported the fewest number for Miami Valley, with less than 5 customers still reporting outages.